Hi, my name is Stumpy and welcome to Grow Science.
This was my birthday present because my mum knows I love science.
No, she just knows you love Grow Science.
And then children.
You can perform 12 horrid yucky activities.
I know. Okay, let's get open it.
You need scissors.
I made it.
Hello. Time.
So we got rain. Ooh, rain mold.
Rowena, it's just like your brain, there's nothing.
Whoa, it's goggles. I'm wearing the goggles.
Cups, red, colouring, bubble wrap and a cotton bud and a bead.
Okay. My goggles on.
What's
That's
this?
squishy.
Eyeball powder blue.
This is
Some mould over here.
What?
I told you there's no space.
I'll find. I just throw the box away.
I don't know what this is. Injection. Meh.
It's the thing you.
You have green powder colouring.
It's the thing you suck
Can we
with.
just put these in the cups now? A fart burp canister. I don't know what this is.
Injections. I have no idea. Injections.
Oh, what's inside? Oh, it's a mold, I think.
It's an eyeball mold. It's not fancy.
Eyeball powder white.
Ooh.
It's like, wall glue or something. We have vomit glue.
We have powder.
What's that say?
Powder.
Fart putty powder. Bubble wrap.
I think we should make the putty.
A sponge.
A lolly stick. Yeah,
Probably
that's
to mix.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And
Like, I was
yellow powder colouring.
A spoon.
How
We've
much
got
is this?
some snot powder. I think it's
Maggots.
the maggots are stretchy and they feel so real.
Hello. We have to start. Where's the instructions? Little girl. Where are the instructions?
They flew over there. We've decided what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be the fart putty powder. Yeah, that's the one I want. We're making the putty. After our fail, we got this.
This one, the first one.
Just what we needed.
Done and delete.
Makes a crackle fart noise because it's the fart burp canister.
I just keep smelling it.
The best one is when it's lit. It's going in.